Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Today, we'll see how to create a FAQ page using MetaBox with the help of MB Views. This is the page I'd like to create today. It contains questions and answers that are saved in the custom fields of MetaBox. They will be displayed in a style like this. The questions and answers will be classified and separated into tabs, as you can see. In each tab, each pair of questions and answers also will be grouped together. Let's see which tools we need for this practice. We need the MetaBox Core plugin to have a framework to create custom fields. You can download it directly from wordpress.org. Besides, we'll use some MetaBox extensions for more advanced features. You can install them individually or use MetaBox all-in-one. Here are the extensions that we will use in this practice. MB Views helps to create and style the template for the page without touching the theme files. MetaBox Builder provides a UI on the back end to create custom fields. The next one is MetaBox Group, to organize the fields for question and answer into a group since they are in pairs. Let's create a new page. I leave it blank, and will create custom fields in the next step to input content for this page. As I mentioned, the questions and answers will be classified in different tabs, and also grouped in pairs. So, I'll create the fields with a structure like this. There will be a group named Tabs. This group is clonable, so you can add many tabs as you want. Inside each tab, means this group, I create a subgroup that contains two subfields. Thanks to this subgroup, the questions and answers are grouped in a pair. This subgroup also is clonable, so you can add more pairs of questions and answers. Now, go to MetaBox to create them. I'm adding a field to name the tab. This name will be displayed on the left sidebar on the page like this. Next, the subgroup. And its subfields. Turn on this option to set the subgroup to be clonable. This helps to add multiple pairs of questions and answers. Back to settings of the wrap group. Set it collapsible since there may be too many pairs of questions and answers. You also can set the title for this group based on the content of the tab name field for easier identification. And finally, turn on this option to set it clonable. Then we will have more tabs for other kinds of questions. After configuring all the fields, move to the Settings tab. Choose Location as Post Type and select Page. To apply these fields to the page you want, go to the Advanced Location Rules section below and choose the name of the page here. Now, go to the page editor. You will see the custom fields displayed. Let's enter the information into the fields. Let's use the MB Views to create a template for the FAQs page. Go to Views in MetaBox and create a new one. To get the data saved in the custom fields, just click on this button and choose the created fields from the list. Since the created fields are all the subfields in a group named Tabs, you must click on this to open it up. Whenever you click on it, a loop will be added to the template since this group is clonable. We'll insert fields inside this loop. The page I'll create today has two sections. One on the left are the names of the tabs, so insert this field to the loop. The one on the right are the questions and answers. It is separated from the left one, so I will add another loop by clicking on this field. The group containing the questions and answers also is clonable, so there will be another loop inside like this. Now, just insert the question field and answer field into this loop. Now you can see the structure clearer. For styling, you should add some div tags and classes for CSS. Now, set the template type as singular and choose the page for its location. Go to the page on front end. All the tab names, questions, and answers displayed already. We should style the page a bit. Back to the template in the views, go to the CSS tab, add some code. Then the look of the page will change. The tabs are on the left now, but nothing happens when you click on each one. We should add some JavaScript to make it happen. Also back to the template, go to the JavaScript tab to add code. These lines of code are to trigger and display the question and answer corresponding true the tab name when users click on any tab name. When I add div tags and classes for each element on the page, I set the class for the tab names like this. In this code, we trigger the action based on that class as you can see. And I also set classes for the section displaying question and answer like this. So it will be here as well. If you use this code, please change this class to your own. Then, we need to add a line of code to the theme file to register the JavaScript. All of the code I'm using in this practice is uploaded on our GitHub, so you can refer to them. Now, go to the page. You will see the tabs run as we want. That's the end of today's tutorial. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more upcoming helpful tutorials. Bye.